Today, in this video, I will be making like what should I call this? Like a two one. Like it's like Doppler on radars, Doppler on wheels. It's this is like Doppler on radars. So yeah. Oh, first we need to disable damage. Ow! Ow! Seriously. Why is there two of me? Much better. This is the stuff that we need. And here is the truck that we're gonna use. Okay. And mm, yeah, I will make you a picture. Okay. Now I'm just gonna roll. I'm just gonna do well this or whatever you call whatever. Okay. And yeah, anything will be good enough. And I think it needs more, whatever you call these. What are they? Ropes or strings? I don't need these. UI control. Toggle. Toggle more. Okay. Piston one. That no. Not that. This other one. And I forgot to do this. Okay. Place position. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. That is pretty good, I guess. Okay. And remember, this is just a role play of Doe or Doppler on wheels. This is just a role play truck. I am not actually gonna use it in a real episode of Melon Stuff. Yeah. Wait, wait lang. Okay. Now, wait. Now, I am gonna make the radar. I think the radar is in here. Oh yeah, I do need a liquid soap. Okay. Okay. This actually start. What the hell? Where did you come from? Goofy eye level. Let me check it from. To all of the chasers in Melon Canva, please do not make use AI to turn this into a green screen and then you crop it and then you place it inside of your video. Okay? If you want to do that, please credit who made this. That is how it works. I, why is this piston not working? Like, seriously, work. Okay, it's finally working. I just need to lower this boat and yeah, yeah. Ah, God, I don't know how I got on top of this. Diabetes. this piston. Wait, let me place myself there. My hat. My hat. Okay. Okay. It works pretty well. I did not know you can do this. Wait, guys. I'm gonna. Okay. Okay. This works really well. What is wrong with this probe? This. What is wrong with this piston? Wait a minute. Hey, why does this stupid piston? Why won't this ever work? Okay, okay. And reminder, there's only gonna be a part 2. In that video, I was joking. Like, literally. Not hurt. Not that hard. Okay, seems that worked. There's gonna be a part 2. Bye, y'all.